Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Hillbilly Coach back with another challenge and stuff. My wife come up with this challenge. I don't know what it is yet, but it's Takis volcano queso, and it's supposed to be really hot Takis. So we figured we might try it, make a challenge of it, and just see if we can eat or see if they're as hot as what they say they are. And here, wait a minute, now you're not showing my chip. Where's my chip? Right there's my chip. I got one too, ladies and gentlemen. I guess I'm just gonna pop it in my mouth like I usually do and stuff without any further ado.
It's supposed to be habanero too.
Well, so far, I don't know yet. I know it's good.
It's hot.
Yeah, they are hot. But it's not overwhelming hot.
No, I mean, it's not like what we're used to.
But they are good.
Just wait.
Here, get you one. I'll eat two. Hey, Jim, I'm gonna eat two. They got a good flavor to them.
Yeah.
That's the best Taki I've eaten.
Most of the Takis is nasty. It's supposed to change your tongue too. It did. I turned green.
Huh. My tongue green?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty good. There's you another one. The heat builds on you.
Yeah. But I don't think it's as hot as a regular habanero.
Well, no.
I mean, because we couldn't eat that many if it was actual regular habanero.
But they are good.
They are hot.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, Randall Blair. Here's your something to try since you love hot. You want to tell him anything about it?
They're good. They're really good, but they're like something like a grippo. You can't eat just one, as you know. Once you get started, you eat them, and as you eat them, the heat does build and stuff.
They're good. I mean, but they're, to me, what's that deformed one? But to me, they don't taste like an actual habanero. I mean, not the heat of a
No,
habanero.
because a habanero is really hot.
Yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I guess this is all from me. Hillbilly Coach, I guess, is going to sign off. They're good chips and stuff because they're hot, but not real insanely hot, no.
No. But if y'all want to try them, message me and I'll tell you where I got them at.
Yep.
See ya.
See you later, folks.